In our next example, we're going to roll a die once again. This time we have a slightly different situation that we're looking for. So we are asked, what is the probability of rolling a number greater than 4 or even? Once again, I'm going to label a couple of events. Event A is rolling a number that's greater than 4. And event B is rolling an even number. So now what I'm asked to do is I am asked to find the probability of A or B occurring. Well, once again, I have to think about, is there any overlap in these two events? If I were to draw out my options again, because it's just 6 options, it doesn't take too long to write those out. And then I think about, let's see, event A is numbers that are greater than 4. Well, that'd be 5 and 6. There they are. Event B, we're looking at even numbers. So that'd be a 2, 4, or 6. So if you notice, and even again, as you think about this, sometimes we won't be able to draw out our options. You have to just kind of think about, is there any overlap in the events with which I'm working? Well, here there's 3 even numbers and there's 1 overlap, right? This 6 is both even and greater than 4 at the same time. So because there's overlap, when I find the probability of this compound event, one thing happening or the other, I'll take the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the overlap, which is the probability of A and B occurring. Substituting numbers for those expressions, the probability of A, probability of getting a number that's greater than 4, would be 2 out of 6. You can reduce that to 1/3 if you like, but I'll leave it as 6 for the moment. The probability of B occurring, the probability of rolling an even number, is 1, 2, 3 out of 6. Minus the overlap. The probability of both of those things occurring, well, I see this 1 overlap right here. 1 overlap out of 6 possible means I need to subtract 1/6 in my expression. 2/6 plus 3/6 would be 5/6, minus a 6 is 4/6, which we could reduce to 2/3. So there's our probability of a compound event that has some overlap.